traders, and welcome to another video review. Today is Friday, July 19th, 2024. Let's find out what is going on the Forex economic calendar today. CPI data from the New Zealand had been published overnight, together with the national core CPI data from the Japan that disappointed the expectations, as the forecast was 2.7%. The actual number was 2.6%. Only. We are waiting for the data from the UK. Some of them have been published already. Retail sales and core retail sales completely disappoint the market participants. Core retail sales fell down from 2.9% to minus 1.5%, and the retail sales are down from 2.9% to minus 1.2%. German PPI data beats the expectations of 0.1%, with the actual number of 0.2%. Now we are waiting for the data from the Canada. Core retail sales, and the RMPI data are scheduled for release at 2:30. Then we have some speeches from the FOMC member Williams and Bostic, and at the end of the day we got US Barker Hughes oil rig count and total rig count scheduled for release at 7 o'clock. And that's it for today. Pretty easy calendar, not too many events, none very important event for today, as you can see here. So it should be a quite interesting day. Nevertheless, might not be that much violent because of the data from the Asian session, from the New Zealand and Japan. We will definitely take a look there. But now let me start with the euro dollar, and then we are going to take a look at the British pound. Euro dollar 30-minute chart is showing us deterioration towards 1.0885. This is the lowest level right now, and as you can see, it's coming down from the level of 1.0949. We spotted the bearish divergence yesterday, and this is what is going on right now on this market. The momentum broke below the level of 50 already. Current level of the momentum is 41 points only, and as you can see, we are moving lower and lower. We are trading below 50 periods moving average, narrowing this movement down towards 1.0853, 1.0846. This is the next target for the bears, next immediate target for the bears. Now please notice the 100 periods moving average is very close to this level as well, so it should be quite a strong technical support, and generally quite strong zone for the bulls. We should have some kind of a support from this zone, as the market should do some kind of a bounce or some kind of a relief rally after this movement here is completed. So let me just place our new swing high 1.0949, and this swing high will obviously act as the technical resistance. Pretty nice situation here, pretty straightforward technical movement on the euro dollar. The larger time frame outlook remains bullish whatsoever. Now British pound. So the British pound is doing exactly what the euro dollar is doing, and we can see the movement to the downside here after bearish divergence was spotted. So we went up towards the level of 1.03043, and this is where the technical resistance is. We broke below the technical support, immediate technical support at 1.2948. so this is now the technical resistance, and as you can see, we still aim to test the level of 1.2856. 100 periods moving average is very, very close to this level, so this is the key technical support for right now. And of course, the bearish divergence is being played out. Market is below the level of 50 already. The overall outlook remains bullish. However, right now it's time for a pullback. Right now it's time for the correction. As you can see, the market is doing exactly what it's supposed to do as we are heading lower towards the level of 1.2857. Because of the overnight data, let's take a look at the US dollar to the Japanese yen, and we can see a nice rebound from the level of 155.39. so this is the level of the technical support, and as you can see, the previous technical supports were not strong enough to hold the bearish pressure. We got multiple bullish divergence here, as you can see here and here. Maybe I will just take my arrow and show you this situation. So we got new lows on the chart, right? So we got new lows. This is the new low as well, and momentum is of course not going that low. So the bullish or positive divergence is being played out on the US dollar to the Japanese yen. Let me just change these levels here: 157.76, 157.42, and 157.17 to red, because this is now the technical resistance, and the market is testing this technical resistance right now. The momentum is quite strong. However, we just broke above the level of 50, so it's not that straightforward. We are going somewhere higher. So this is the level of 50, and we are just like at 51.62. Nevertheless, that's a very particular situation, because if we right now reverse lower, then the momentum will stay basically below the level of 50 again. All right, so any breakout higher opens the road towards 100 periods moving average, which is 158.97, and the first level of the technical resistance, 157.46. And there is a room here on the other side. There is a room here as well, so we should be prepared for another rally on the US dollar to Japanese yen if there is enough momentum to push towards the level of towards the positive area and above the supply zone made of these three resistance levels. All right, so that was the US dollar to Japanese yen. Let's find out what the Bitcoin is basically doing. As you can see on the 4-hour chart, we are following this Elliott wave pattern, the 5-wave impulsive scenario, impulsive cycle, and these days we got the situation where the lows for the wave 4 might have been done, might have been completed, as the current price action is showing us the possibility of a further movement to the upside. We tested the level of 50 during this pullback. Pullback was made from 66,130 towards 62,257. So the market is basically ready to move higher, and if we will see some sort of the spike to the upside, that would be the indication of a possible wave 5 unfolding on a 4-hour chart. We are still waiting for the wave 5 to unfold. Please notice the fact that the wave 4 might be a little bit longer than it is right here, might be a little bit let's say complex in price and time. Nevertheless, we should see some sort of the correction in the wave 4, maybe triangle, maybe zigzag, maybe running flat, something like this. And then when the wave 4 correction is completed, when the corrective cycle, inner corrective cycle is completed, we should see another wave to the upside, unfolding wave 5 to the upside. So that's my outlook for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.